Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by importing clips into Datamosh 2 and picking a source file with H264 encoding. This matters because keyframe structure controls the mosh. Once imported, scrub to a short transition point and mark in and out. Shorter segments create more dramatic results. Make sure to export a lossless backup first so you can revert if needed. Then enable frame-level editing and switch to motion vector view. That allows you to target p-frames and iframes precisely, which is where the mosh will come from. You now remove or overwrite iframes to let predictive frames bleed. Do this by selecting an iframe and replacing it with adjacent p-frames, which forces temporal prediction errors. Once done, use motion vector interpolation to stretch motion across more frames. This amplifies the smeared motion effect. Next, tweak GOP size and lower the bitrate when re-encoding. Smaller GOPs recreate jump cuts, and lower bitrate yields blockier artifacts. Make sure to preview at full speed, because real-time playback reveals artifacts you might otherwise miss. You finish by rendering short test exports at your target resolution to confirm timing and artifact character. This saves time and prevents wasted renders. Once satisfied, render the full clip with your chosen container and codec settings. If you need loopable moshes, trim to exact frame boundaries and set seamless export options. If the project freezes or shows severe corruption, revert to your backup, reduce iframe removal, or convert the intermediate to a lossless codec. These steps recover stability while preserving the moshed aesthetic.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.